This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys. In last section we have seen configuration related to payroll area and how to create a feature for default payroll area. And now we'll see further configuration that is related to control records, how to create control records and define administrator group. For that, we have to navigate to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, go to personnel management. In personnel management, further go to personnel administration. In personnel administration, further go to organization data. And in organization data, in last session we have seen organization assignment where we have created payroll area. We have created a default payroll area that we have maintained default payroll area. And now we are going to see how to create control record. So let me first tell you what is mean by control records. Payroll control record is used to run payroll process in HR system. Payroll control record is used to log master data during payroll run, and this logs the changes processing. That means once you are processing payroll, it will log the master data and you cannot change any master data. You have to set up payroll control record manually for each part of payroll run. So we'll see how to do that. Let me just execute this. Click on this IMG activity. Before moving, I would like to show one more functionality. In this icon, IMG activity documentation. If you click on that, you will get overview about that function. That means create control record. You will get some theoretical information here. So we'll see. In this step, you set up a system control of payroll control record. This control the record of following functions in payroll. That means it determines the current payroll period for exact date. It defines payroll past or retro accounting, and it logs the master data. So you cannot change any master data. It determines the earliest retro accounting period. So this is one functionality. If you want to see some theoretical parts, you can directly see through the system. That means IMG activity documentation. Let me just quickly show you how to create control record. Click on this. Here system is asking you about payroll area. So our payroll area is, I think, VM, right? Yes, right. So we have given code VM for our this payroll area via Industries Mumbai. Now click on create. You will get this kind of screen where first you will get name of your payroll area and the next payroll status. In payroll there are 4 payroll statuses. First is release for payroll. So you will get understanding of payroll status, whether that is release for payroll or the next that is release for correction if there are any corrections, or that is released for correction phase or in exit mode, or whether we are going to check payroll results. These are 4 payroll status. And now these are the next part is payroll period. In payroll period, we'll enter current month's detail. For example, I have selected 10th month and year and earliest retro accounting period. Here you can maintain last date of your earliest retro accounting period. This indicates the greatest earliest payroll period for retro accounting. So for time being, I'll enter 8. Let me just select 9. Click on enter. So that period will start from 1st of October 2020 to 31st of October. So enter your values and click on save. So your record has been created. So this is the way to create a controlled record, and this feature that we can control the activities of payroll. We can maintain payroll period here. And the next configuration is define administrator. Click on define administrator if you want to see documentation related to administrator. You can see here. So you will get this kind of document. Now just let me create one administrator here. Click on new entries. Just a minute, guys. First, we have to create an administrator group. Before moving to administrator directly, first we can create administrator group. This is similar to other features that we have created like Numker ABKRS. Similarly, we have to click we want to create an administrator group. The feature for that is pinch. Click on otherwise, click on employee groups. Here you will get your personnel area. In that, first click on personnel area, click on create. And search your personnel area. I have selected VIM, that is VI Industries Mumbai. Now your personnel area is visible here. Click on that and again click on create and enter return value, that is a code for your administrator group, that is APPL. Now save this, check and activate. Now click on back and now you have to define administrator. In this, first click on new entries, give a name of your administrator. Hello. Yes, we have given administrator, that is VI, and we'll give a name and title, telephone number, and whatever the name of SAP name of that employee. Just a minute, guys. Let me just quickly log into system. Now we are in this step, that is define administrator. Click on new entries, group APPL, VI, title, that entries we have done. Click on enter and save your value. Just save. So this is all about configuration related to control record, how to create administrator group, and how to create administrator. So we'll see further configuration. In next section, we are going to see some financial configuration that is required to hire an employee. We'll see in next session. Hope you will like this session, guys, and we'll connect back in next session. Thank you.